Hi, I'm Sasan.
Hello, I'm Paul.
Hi, I'm Sasan Kasravi.
And I'm Paul Villa.
We, as I think you know, are Proteus Debate Academy. We wanted to make a little video because I believe our first debate video on the channel was put up May 18th of last year. What a ride it's been. Paul, take it away.
It's been a ride, and we have some news. One, we want to say obviously thank you so much for people who supported the channel and all that stuff. We've recently discovered the public forum Discord, so we know all the shit you've been talking.
No, they were nice.
Nah, they're nice. Some of them were nice, but few of you.
Well, no, everybody said nice things.
Where's your free channel that makes equity? But I don't know.
One person said that, yeah, they're pretty cool. One of them is better than the other one, and didn't say which. And we've been trying to figure out who the cool one is.
Yeah, another one described Sasan as he simultaneously knows a lot about debate and like absolutely nothing. Or like,
it's the drunken boxing style of coaching.
Yeah.
So thank you for that. We have a lot of cool stuff coming up. Yeah, I already said all that stuff about the survey. That's before our case evaluation tool that's hopefully going to be coming out soon. We want to do interviews with people. We are going to be getting more videos up to fill out our debate curriculum for anyone who's trying to teach debate online in the fall to be able to use as something to supplement their curriculum. And what else are we doing, Paul?
Entering a tournament.
Yeah, we were bored. And there's a public forum tournament.
The Tab and Dab Invitational.
Yeah, and it said anyone could enter. And we reached out and we were like, could we enter?
And we've been given a green light. Some of y'all seem interested in that. Thought it'd be fun.
Yeah, we're going to make a video kind of like highlighting how we prepare, and also probably record videos of the tournament, and probably a resounding success or humiliating failure.
Dude, we should do a round analysis of one of our rounds.
Yeah, really pat ourselves on the back.
Yeah, I really liked the way that you just couldn't respond to everything they said.
Yeah, I'm really not as fast as all these children. Yeah, we're looking forward to that. So if you want to compete against us or judge, Tab and Dab, you should do it. It'll be fun.
Yeah.
Thanks for a year.
Yeah, we'll definitely not stop making videos.
Are we going to stop making videos?
No. Well, it depends if we do bad. Rep out.
Yeah, dude.
Rep out.